Ibihingwa ibisisikaye Minunga harimo amajyani, ibitoke, muhogo hamwe no kugira ngo amaju gagwire.
Inzira kiza n'umuyaga yiza n'urubare umutunga guona yaterera kimwe hato bwa hati ebihimba intoke umwani ubona twakineho neco mwe twine neco futeka amahega
bino busasi bwinji abwo umutungo gutahirire uzora katera urubare katera uzora ubireho basisika bona hari ikembuga
Mshaki witu agambireho na Adnan Tumuheirwe uri kansara uri kukikira abantu abahari kikurwa district Kandogu ayizire government ukwimukira mu kushagika abantu abo kuba babatungire buhwezi babasa kutandika kwiba
urebe mbera ebasize kuba umugombo reginisha ba na ministry ya disaster hamwe na office of the prime minister kurangubi iki kintu kibiza batwirikirire bareba abantu okubatikire cyo kutahamunwa ahabo kuba iki kibirehwa kibasa kuretera n'abantu batandika kwiba no gukora ibintu bitagize bita
ebitachari kuko wano ureba aha n'amazima no rebe ibintu byona bitire umumataga abantu abakutura mu cyange iki kandi tureba ngo mbiro bikuza kwija naza kubaruha kabikamani akuto anticipating kugira ngo naza kuzikwijinjara
muringo ngogumwe uri umuhezi wa RDC wa district William Katsigazi yanangirize government ukutabantu babushenyi mutekateka zayo abantu abeine kubanza kuyamba
Bushenyi district tugwerirwe kizibu cyamani tutirwe enzura nyakuberi no muyaga orubale etwakweserenzatu kandi az Bushenyi district hate kitungire kizibu kino kitalabanize district yona enzure giyone yegwire sine egwerire Bushenyi na working kengawa ya president nukomuzokero wa president habwa Bushenyi antwenda kuongera naito kongereza hiraka ya bembezi abandi okurora ngo Bushenyi district etwarwaze priority especially kula twakonyera abantu bayitu
ibyo bikiri aho umukuru w'abakozi mu district Fiona Sanyu na washoborero kubahandikire office y'inganzi y'ihanga ukwija kwera abantu mu district abateirwe ekigwererezi.
This is the fourth sub county to be affected like this. We have had issues in Vitoma, we have had issues in this very place of Kakanju, we have had issues in Nyabubare, we have had issues in Chamuhunga. We have made reports before to the office of the Prime Minister for relief and support, especially in terms of food, because we foresee that the issue of food security may not be sustainable in the near future.
Naisi nuwahereza umuhabataka abibintu byabo bisisirwa urubare hamwe n'injira yihunga nawe yihanangirize government ukurebeka ngo habuyambi ubwere kuza kwereza abantu mu giceketi baba bwinjo abo kugira ngo abantu abari kukiro bwinji beineza family mpango
base kubatekatekaho tebahereze kuyambi na munongo kureba mu byo kurya hamwe n'emboga ahabo batubire tuje kushana kandi kuko abantu rw'imizo kushana nabo stiru twagera aho cyenzura
nombe no kwanja mwashikaye nyine n'urundo rwocyaha hangudo tihine ho kantukona
makuraga gasha kwa Olivia na Sasra aba Sky TV agenshonga mu Bushenyi.